Welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check the question 5 of the progression test style questions of stage 8. So this one is about a proportion between rectangles and also finding an unknown variable. This one says, rectangle A is enlarged to give rectangle B, as shown. This verb here, enlarged, means that the proportions of the rectangle were kept when doing the rectangle bigger. So that means we can write the proportion in the equivalence of the ratio between the two dimensions of each rectangle. So 3:7, the ratio 3:7, should be equivalent to 12 to x. In this case, is the x the one that we don't know. So we better multiply by x both sides. So the x would be in the numerator, where it's going to be easier for us to isolate it. Okay, here we cancel the x, and we would get x times 3/7. It's equals to 12. Then the 7 that is divided, it would go to the right side to multiply, and the 3 that is multiplying, it would go to divide. So we are going to have that x is equals to 12 times 7 divided by 3. We could do this division first. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 times 7 is 28. That means the dimension x should be 28 centimeters in order to keep the proportions in the rectangle. If you want, also from the very beginning, you have could written the ratio 7:3 is the same as x to 12. So the x would be already in the numerator, and you just have to bring the 12 to multiply to the other side. You would get the same result, guys. But this one seems a little bit easier, right? So before setting an equation, try to think what is the best way to isolate the one that you don't know. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if it was useful, book your own lessons with me if you want, and drop any questions you have in the comment box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.